So Richard, we're here at the CEDIA Tech Business Summit, and you are here with your plethora of goodies on the table. Tell us a little about what you're showing off at the show today and what's new from you.
Okay, thank you. Well, we're showing a number of things. I mean, one of which is our new integrations with sort of Polar Bear. So
Okay,
fantastic,
the thermostats. Yep.
yeah, luxury thermostat. We've got integrations with Control 4 and Crush on Home that now fully support their virtual thermostats. So that really helps bring the cost down of overall systems. So you can design systems with this in your primary room for AC control, underfloor with just virtual thermostats directly connected to the UMC.
Ah,
Great solution. We've also got advanced diagnostics, firmware updating, all built into our integrations. So very exciting.
that's brilliant. Really good.
Um, we're also showing in a new version of our sort of BMS monitor at our smart energy solution for Control 4.
Right.
Allows you to monitor anything, any variable in Control 4. We can bring in, monitor, visualize a history of, and we're showing here. I guess you can do some.
I mean that. Yeah. I mean that was amazing when you showed me that at Manchester. I think it was. I mean, let's have a look. See if I can get it close to the camera. See if it goes into focus. But yeah, I mean that was just for me. That's something that I've looked at as an integrator for the last 20
Yeah.
years and gone. That is just
Yeah.
that's what we need. That's amazing.
So this is a live view of my house, monitoring the energy using ABB energy clamps. And that's a great solution we're sort of launching now. As well as that, we've also got a configurable dashboard.
Right.
So this is a fully configurable dashboard that the installer or the end user can create to show whatever information is relevant for their house.
Okay. Let's just have a look. Get that on the camera as well. So I'll set so we're not seeing any glaze. There you go.
And so on there, you can put a sort of alarm information, anything that's status of the house that's of importance for you.
Yeah. I mean, for me, that was like saying about Manchester was the fact that you take those little clamps and you put them on the power supply coming out of your unit, and then they are then completely monitored, and then you could see where energy is being drawn in the house, so then you could make informed decisions of where you.
Well, that's it. That's the next stage that we're working on.
Yeah.
So it's more than, I mean, visualizing and understanding where the usage is. That's very important.
Yeah.
But where it gets really exciting then is about taking that to the next level and automating things, so that when you've got excess PV generation, you can, rather than exporting energy, you can use it internally,
Right.
which is much better. Look at countries like Belgium. It's very interesting. They've got a very unusual way of costing for electricity, and they penalise you if you go over a certain amount.
Okay.
And the penalties can be sort of quite horrific, with
Yeah.
many sort of tens or hundreds of euros per day if you exceed a certain usage.
Wow.
So with this, you can actually start monitoring, am I on track to exceeding that? And then take decisions, switch off the AC, turn the temperature down, maybe not have the speakers running quite so loud.
I think that's for me. It's like, I mean, a few years ago, we switched over energy supply and we got the smart meter that literally just shows you what you're spending, doesn't show you where you're spending it. So yeah, you can use the kettle more. You can turn the computer off if it's, rather than leaving it on standby. But to physically be able to, as you say, to monitor and manage your environment and to show where you can save or where you can, sell back to the grid or something like that. It's brilliant. I mean, to me, that was a fantastic product that you're showing here. And people can see it in the other shows. Anything else that obviously you're really well known. I know you guys very well for helping me out with my Control 4 drivers for Heat Miser and all those types of platforms. So
Talking about Heat Miser, we're just very excited that our integrations for Control 4 Crush on Home now fully support this latest smart TRV valve that Heat
right.
Miser have
Okay, so
just
that's a Heat
introduced.
Miser product, is it?
This is a Heat Miser product, fully compatible with their Neo Hub,
Right.
fully working with our drivers.
Ah, okay, brilliant. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, what's the website address so people can go along and have a look?
janustechnology.co.uk.
As I say, because being a Control 4 dealer for ages myself, it's always one of those, yours is always one of those websites that you go and look, see what's new if I've not heard from you, because you've helped me in many years through my integrations, and certainly some of the stuff that you've got on show here, if I was still doing lots of integrations, would be first and foremost. The smart energy monitoring is something that I've already looked to put in my own home.
Right.
So,
Great.
yeah. So website again, best way to find you.
janustechnology.co.uk.
Excellent, Richard. Well, look, thank you for your time, and say anybody who's coming to any of these, pop along and have a look and see what they can do for you.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Cheers, Richard. Thank you, mate.